Okay, welcome to Multi-Net Design. In this project we are going to create office cabinet in this by using the standard board measurement. So if you are the type that work with interior decoration, this tutorial is best for you. So try as much as possible to watch it through the end. So let's move on to Revit 2023. So here we are going to use family to create the project. So where you go, it's open for you in this place. So what you do now is to click on English. At the English, we are going to search for furniture template. So you going to use furniture, Revit family furniture template. So you click on open. This will take you probably to a page that is more dedicated to this particular family. So because if you decide to draw in this position, it's going to take you to a place that's any component or any project you are using, you can import it there and it will be significant. So if you are not you have been watching our video for a period of time, kindly subscribe to our channel and continue with everyday projects we are bringing onto you. So what we start now, we are going to use extrusion to create this. So click on extrusion. At extrusion, you just want to use a box. So what you do, click here and draw a rectangular box to create the board you are going to use. So you step here, everything has dimension. So first you need to do is that you are specifying, because this is just a side cabinet, side table cabinet. So it's going to be 500, let's say 500 mm. So from there you see this and maybe quickly come to the middle, click on center line. Good. So the next one is the what is the breadth? It's going to be like 600 mm. Good. So that's the breadth of the. So at the same time bring it to the middle. Good. So now it's centralized. So at this point you have the end of extrusion is going to be the size of the board that we are going to use. So type 20, that is 20 mm by the size of it. Click OK. So this is done as for this. So you go to the front elevation. At the front elevation you have the cabinet in place, so you can decide to raise it up to certain height. So pick and seal the joints. At the same time you need the constraint, keep the joint back, so take it up to something like 60. Good. So here now you come to the left side. So the first thing you want to work on are the drawer. So you click on this and click on the copy, take this to the extreme parts, then say rotate to 90 degree. Fine. So as you have done this, which is beautiful, what you need to do now is to come back to your front, click on the top of this tab. So this is where your front is at this side. So what you do is that you shift this a little bit backward to the next to that side. So you can decide to open it a bit like 5 mm. So click there. Good. So that's giving the space in between. So you can adjust it a bit by pressing arrow key and see how far it goes. So that is one. So go back to the front elevation. At the front elevation, what you have done, I'm going to reduce this size to something like here that is accommodating. So bring it like this. So check the measurements whether it suits what you are doing. So this is 149, which I'm going to use 200 in my own personal, because that's the way I want to design. So I'm going to use, so just type 200. Good. So that's I've shifted it up. Delete this. So you bring it down a bit. Good. So here now I'm copying this, I'm repeating it to the next level, I'm putting it there. So I will reduce this one to 150. I think that to be here. So I'm taking it to 150 in height. Good. So this 150 now, I'm going to repeat it again to the next one. Copy. So I'm clicking it here and pasting it here. So that is it for the height. So as I've done this, so I'm changing this again and say rotate this particular component with copy. So I'm pasting it here 90 degree. Good. So here now mirror this one. So as I've done that, this one, and I'm taking it up, copy this and paste it to the top. So they stay above everything. So now you go to 3D to go and check whether you have created something familiar. So now this is the component you have created. So now you need to align everything to join to the top. So how do you do that? Come to the left side elevation. Good. Align this, meet up here, align again. So go forward here. So align this to come front. So let it cover up. So because you are going to just open it, align this again to come to that place. So that is it. So now as you are done with this, what you need to do is to copy any of this one and copy it to the back. So and there you move it. Do not align anything, because the reason is that this board has been a standard form. So if you are doing this particular design this way, you need to let your client know this is what you have and this is what you have created. So for me, moving that, I've already distorted something, so I'm taking it back. So I've copied that in that place. So when you look at it from 3D, you see that the components have been set and the board has been placed in where it's supposed to be placed. So if you want to do something like you click on this one, you can assign material to them by giving them the materials of the board. So you click on this and say align, use render material. From here now you pick new material, select appearance that you want and go to wood. So wood will be better, so set any kind of wood that you know that is okay for you. So I'm using, let me say, okay, this panel will be okay for me. Let me just choose this mahogany. So mahogany is okay. So I'm using mahogany now to do whatever I want to do. So I'm clicking okay. So if I want to see it into realistic, so this is mahogany. So if you are not okay with that, you can decide to choose another kind of material by yourself. So I'm done with this material now. The next thing I want to do is to create the handle, which I'm going to use to open that space. So how am I doing that? I go to the front elevation. At the front elevation now, no, let me go to this. So at this place now, I'm clicking again and I'm doing a extrusion to work on that. So I'm going to do this one by clicking from this place. I'm selecting this. So from here, I'm putting it this way. So I'm selecting this one as say mirror. So it shows that it's a long way position. So I'm just buffing it using curve. Good. So here you mirror it again. So now you trim. And trim it. So that's done. So what you need to do now is to offset, and let's offset be 10 millimeter. 10 is much, so I'm going to use 5. Good. So 5 is okay adequately. So you select that and put that escape, place this into this area. So as we have done with this, so click finish. So go back to the front elevation and go and see what you have done. So here you move it up. and you click on disjoin, click on constraint, and you click on disjoin again. So now you push it up. From here you reduce the size and let it be sizable one that you can control. So that is it for other aspects. So as we have this one now, you can now say, okay, you want to copy so that we have the favorites. So where you get this one now, you draw this down, you send this one close. Again, increase it a little bit, but do not reduce it too much because it's going to have a constraint issue. So increase it a bit. Good. So when you go to the floor, to the plan, to fill it from plan. So now you can extend this or click and just say front select. So go to the top and say extrusion. At the extrusion, just offset a bit, like 2, let's say 2 mm. So offset this, sorry, Ctrl C. So remove the copy, offset, yes, and join the elements, offset, and join the elements, offset, no, offset, and join the elements, and offset. So finish it. So that is it. So from there now, you go to your 3D and see what you have done. This is what you have done, and you select this one, select everything, change the material as well in this case, and do something like a crew. So here, right click and duplicate the material and asset. Click here and change this from the for normal aluminium. You can decide to use chrome if you have any that you want to use. So you can check here and say metal. So from here you select any type of metal that you know that suits. So chrome here is suitable, or aluminium, whatsoever. So that is what you do, and you select this and go to your front elevation. From front elevation you select and paste from here to this and to the last. Good. So as you have done, you need to do a quick check on the. So how do you do the stand? So you do the leg by using not extrusion this time, but I want to use revolve. So I'm clicking on revolve, I'm using it in this way. So I'm going to use axis, click on axis. So axis line, draw it that way, 40. So now you need to start drawing the boundary. So the boundary is going to be in this form. So now I'm doing this. So just select that way and close it. So from here you can change. Good. So now click that, select that. So when you click finish, it's to rotate. So as you have done it, you go to your left side. At the left side, rotate this particular to 90 degrees. Good. Just delete the horizontal one. So you poof this, you push it up. Good. So that is it. So now you connect this and say copy to this point. Select the two and go to the front elevation and say copy. You can even mirror if it's okay by you. Just mirror it. So we go to the go. So you just see them from the 3D and see the leg inclusive. So here you click on realistic. So that is how you draw, and that is how you do the working. So that is the coordinates you have created in this project. So kindly subscribe to our channel.